Hello, it's Tuesday, September the 20th, 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from MaxiForex. The dollar strengthened against the other major currencies as stocks paired losses in the final hour of trading. As Greece said, discussions with European officials about the country's bailout were productive. Wall Street closed bearish as the Nasdaq fell by 0.36% and the Dow by 0.94%. Crude oil dropped by 2.6% to close at $85.70 a barrel, and gold also fell today by 2% to close nearly at $1,778.90 an ounce. Today, building permits are expected to come out at 0.60 million as previously. The euro fell against the US dollar as stock markets in Europe experienced a sharp drop as investors are waiting to see if Greece will default. The euro-dollar's momentum is bearish as long as the pair remains below the 136.50 level. Next support on the daily chart is at 135.85. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 136.04 and a high of 136.88. The pound fell against the US dollar as stock markets fell. The momentum is bearish below 156.76 with support at 155.85 and resistance at 158.40. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 156.55 and a high of 157.02. No economic data is expected today. The yen strengthened against the US dollar over investor concern about Greece's future. The dollar yen is struggling at 77, but as long as the pair is trading below 77.20, the yen is the more attractive. Next support on the daily chart is at 76. Overall, the dollar yen traded with a low of 76.31 and a high of 76.96. No economic data is expected today. Canada's dollar dropped the most in more than a month against its US counterpart as it's concerned Greece may not receive aid, crimping demand for higher yielding assets. As long as the pair is trading above the 0.9880 level, the trend of the US dollar is bullish. The moving average indicator on the 1-hour chart supports a positive trend for the US dollar. And overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 0.9892 and a high of 0.9936. Well, that's it for today. Be sure to visit us at MaxiForex.ru.